Good morning, kaviewers! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's vlog is I'm going to show you what I am seeing in the DVR, or which you call it's the goggles. So I'm gonna tour you around this park, which I'm practicing since I start FPV drone. Wow. So I make a setup and let's go. Let's do it. Okay, let's get started. Everything is record. And so record na. Check. Goggles check. GoPro check. Remote check. So ayan, mapapansin nyo wala pang GPS, so labas muna tayo ng kubo. Hanap muna tayo ng GPS. Ayan tayo dito. Hindi natin tapat yung camera sa araw. Hop. Land. Let's see. Ayan, wait muna tayo for a second. Yung GPS yan, mapapansin nyo to the upper middle, upper middle. Yung nagbi-blink, yan yung GPS natin. So 7 na siya. 7, so let's wait for 8 satellite. Oh, ba't bumaba? Oh, lapit na. So pag nag-8 ng satellite, let's do it na. Okay, 8 already. So let's go. Let's tour. Okay, start here. So if you can see, the arrow is the direction of our home. And you can see the distance, which has a 78 meters. And so you see the flicker, too many flicker there, and the satellite is gone. Sometimes it's gone, but it will come back. You see at the lower at the left, which is the 3.95 volt, which is the cell voltage, and the lower, the 23.6 volts, that is the voltage of the 6 cell, because we are using 6S. If you can see the FLMN on the right, lower right, that is the flight time. So from now it's going to 2 minutes of flying. So our GPS is gone, so let's stop, bring it down, and let's see if the sun is shiny. So okay, let's wait for the GPS to come back. Okay, now it's 8, so we're going to continue. Let's go to the let's go to the building.
go inside the all this. Okay, too many flicker because our VTX is set by 400 milliwatt. So you see me there. Let's go here inside the trees. Our GPS is now a little problem there. I don't know, maybe in the satellite or in our drone. So yes, so we pass there, and then let's go here. Okay, we're going to tour. Under the trees, so let's go there. We'll find what's in there. Okay, let's make a turn. I see the two birds. Let's go here. Okay. Oh, that's the road already. Maybe we can go inside here. Oh yeah. Our remote is some kind of annoying. Sorry for that. I turn on the volume. You can turn it off if you don't want to some irritating voice. So let's go to the top. Look what's there. So yeah, you see the flickering because we set it to the 400 milliwatt. So let's put it on maybe let's put it on 1K 1 watt. So the flickering will reduce. Hope so. Okay. When set up the VTX, so let's go to the features. VTX, and we are in the race band 8. So this is the frequency. So the power is 400. So let's turn off the volume so cannot annoy us. So let's set this to 1K 1000 and set. Yes. Back, and save and exit. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, that's it. So let's look. So the flickering is reduced little bit, but I'm in the we call this Hamali, the Kubo, so maybe it can reduce when I'm going outside. So you see that is too many flicker. I'm here, down there. So our flight is almost 5 minutes, going to 6 minutes. So let's go around. Okay. Let's go here. So this is an park. The building is an abandoned. So we are allowed to fly here and no people. So I practice here flying. So, okay, you're 6 minutes already, and the voltage is 3.60. That's too bad. So the battery, when you suggested flight voltage per cell is 3.8. So that's too bad. So let's go and get some new battery and replace it. So the satellite is good now. So you can see me there sitting at the kubo. Okay.
So that's it, ka-viewers. So shout out nga pala kay Joffer Aresta from Philippines. Isa siyang mountain bikers. So yun. If you like this video, please click the like button and leave a comment down below if you have any question or shoutouts. Yun. So mag-shoutout tayo sa sunod. Ayun. So hanggang dito na lang mga ka-viewers. So hanggang sa susunod nating video, abang-abang na lang. Huwag kayong mawala hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita. Paalam!